All right, how's everybody doing today, folks? Everybody good?
Good.
4-3. My name is Steve, who's the make today. Thank you very much for riding with us. So we'll get you to Boston in about 20-25 minutes. We have all the safe equipment on board, life jackets under both bench seats down here, under this seat here, and children's jackets under those two folks right there. We have 3 fire extinguishers, one here, one behind me at the helm, and one down back. Anything comes up, we'll walk you through it. Anybody coming back to the casino later today on the boat? 8:40 is our last boat coming back, so please try to get there early. We can only fit 35 people on the boat, so if there's more than 35, you'll have to find another way to get back. So every 20 minutes before that, 8:40 is your last one. And when you come back, there's a sign at the very top of the ramp by the big number 18. Please wait at the top till we get everybody off the boat, then we'll call you down the ramp to the boat. Please wait at the top of the ramp, okay? Thank you, folks.
Best thing I ever did, really, man. This was 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago.
अहिले उता खिचेर यहाँ
जरलाई छोरा
No, there's literally a window. Bye, say hello. Bye. Bye. Say hello. Say hello. Book, go. Bye. Say hello. Book, go.
यस्तो झ्यालबाट आउँछ
देखा थियो होला नि भोलि
आइहाल्छ नि यता बाहिर देखियोस्
Hey, what are you doing?
स्टक गर्न
No.
15-20 सेकेन्ड अब एउटा गर्नु
On a boat ride to Australia. Just kidding. We're not going to Australia. No, what did the police say?
बुवाहरूलाई दिनु न म बुवाहरूको बनाइदिन्छु
Go to Australia. Hello.
दिवेश सर
Bye. Say hello to the camera. No, we're going like this.
के भन्छ बोटमा हिँडेको
You're on a
झगडा
boat
गर्नु हुँदैन नि त यसरी म बोटमा लिएर जान्छु
Papa.
हजुर
What the fuck?
बोट
This
सुपर
fast.
फास्ट
This fast. Stop. Let me record. Nothing to the boat ride. Look what I'm saying. A boat is shipwreck. Yeah. I might be able to add a time lapse. I don't know how to add one. I'm pretty sure we're gonna add one.
Please.
Yeah, we are.
Please,
Bridge of food.
good.
Peace. Hey guys! We're on a jet ski to a ride to Australia. Nice.
हाई हेलो दिवेश
There's we're on a boat ride. There's an open window. Shall close it. God rotten ship there. Got some. Got some. Very suspicious. To me, probably, but not
ऊ त्यहाँ हेर्नु न के लान्छ त्यहाँ
I don't know.
के राखे हो के त्यो
No wings. Oh, fire. Hi guys, I'll do my mom's video, my mom's Snapchat. I'm not going to video. What's that?
What's that?
Yep, the water smells the same. This is real water. Real water. It smells the same, yeah. Smells like the beach water. Hey, say hello.
Hello. Hi.
Say hello. What is bro doing? What is bro doing? Bye, say hello. Say hello. Me too. No. Don't do that. Don't do that. It's not good. No. Construction. Construction.
Yeah. टाढै हो टाढो टाइम to लाग्छ 20-25 मिनट भनेर त लाग्यो उता मामुलाई हेर Look at मामु उता मामुलाई कहिले हेर भन्छ हुन्छ ल
I know. Say hello. Oh, say hello. Say hello. Mother. Got 2 fire extinguisher. We're safe, okay? Got 2 extinguishers, life jackets. No, not my phone. Yeah, it's an inside tour.
उहाँमा बनाइदिउँ
Hello. When are we gonna come back?
Oh, look. That's good.
Let's go, you're doing it.
It do.
It's 8 minutes. Mama, don't drop it. Don't drop it, okay? Don't drop your phone, Mama.
Repeat. Super fast. Like super fast.
By the way, we're at.
By the
way, we're at the casino that my dad works at. And there's a boat. A boat. Yeah, don't worry, we're gonna go back in, but we're not gonna use the casino. My dad does. My dad works at sometimes the casino.
Dipson uta uta mamu yata आउँछ तिमी यता यो मामु चाहियो रे के त्यो लोडला त्यो ज्यानको लोडला
Okay, what do we do?
लोडिन्छ
Oh. What are you doing? It's beautiful. Wow. Driving.
छोड्दिनु
The bridge.
आज देखि
There you go. I'm kind of hungry, boss.
अहिले उता जानु हामी
Okay. It's literally 10 minutes.
1 minute.
10 मिनटको भिडियो भने त मान्छे ऊ त्यो फिल्महरू हेर्नलाई इरिटेट भएर हेर्दैन
Most videos are over an hour.
आउट भयो त राम्रो हुनु पर्यो नि त यस्तो भिडियो कसले हेर्छ त एनीबडी क्यान क्लिक द भिडियो दिस काइन्ड सानो समय हो यसलाई यत्रो सार्कले खान्छ नि झ्यालबाट आउँछ पो त
Wow.
10 मिनट अट्दैन अहिले एकछिनमा
I said video, not YouTube short.
त्यही त भिडियो नै
This one isn't even.
भयो नि छोड्नु
Another
1 मिनटको भिडियो बनाउने हो नि त
Hey, bye. No, no. My fellow.
मामले समाल